Maggie? Maggie! Maggie! Look, I won. I fought 4 fights and I won.
Frank, it was too scary.
You didn't let her see it, did you?
Well, short of binding and gagging the child, I couldn't say how to keep her away. Don't be angry, Frank. She's been upset enough already.
Hey, you mustn't ever let Daddy know that you were there. You understand me?
You really won?
Frank, didn't you hear me shouting after you? You were supposed to meet. Oh, dear God, look at him, will you? I'm searching all over for him, and you're off picking fights again.
Paddy.
No fighting, Daddy. Boxing. I beat 4 of Jimmy Sharman's champions. 4.
Champions? A bunch of punch-drunk old has-beens from a country show?
I made myself 20 pounds at it. That's more than Aunt Mary pays you in a month. 20 pounds and the respect of every man present.
Ah, respect. Why didn't you grow up, Frank, for your mother's sake, if nothing else?
For her sake? You stinking old he-goat. After what you've done to her. You couldn't leave her alone, could you? You couldn't keep your hands off her, could you?
How dare you speak to me like that? I'm her husband.
You're nothing better than an old ram in rut is what you are.
And you're no better than the bastard who fathered you, whoever he was. Frank! No! Frank! Oh, God, I didn't mean that, Frank. Frank, I didn't mean that. I didn't mean it.
You meant it. Let me go, Father. I won't touch him, so help me God.
So help you God. God rot your souls, both of you. If you've ruined that child, I'll kill you. I should have let you kill each other, you miserable, self-centered cretins.
Son, what I said, then it's not true.
No. No. I've always felt it. I've always known that you came after me. That she was mine first. I've always blamed you for dragging her down all these years. It was me. It was me.
No, Frank. It's not your fault. Sometimes God's ways are hard for us to understand.
Your preaching makes me want to puke, Father. Frank! Never mind. Never mind, I'm going. And I won't be back.
But Frank, you can't go away. What'll I tell you, Mother? Frank, you mean more to her than all the rest of us put together. She'd never forgive me, Frank.